짜잔! Hello everyone. Big boy is here. Nice to meet you again. Today, one of my friends asking how to cook Jjapaghetti. And Jjapaghetti means this one. Okay? Magandang araw. I forgot. Okay. Today's Philippine ladies, Philippine girls' favorite cooking is Jjapaghetti, and then they are always paid and they don't know how to cook nice. So today I will make this using Jjapaghetti, how to eat really nice for taste. Okay, let's start. So first, boil the water. Any kind of bowl is okay. So just boil well, and that's all. And then that is really easy as pie. I using Jjapaghetti only how to cook with original taste, not adding anything. Just I have only one Jjapaghetti, just cook. For example, I have many Panji Canton. This is also Filipinos' favorite. You think cooking Panji Canton and cooking Jjapaghetti is almost same, but only one tip. I will give you some tips for you to how to cook and good taste. And according to the recipe of the cook, there are other kind of mention. That is maybe factories, manufacturers, how to cook delicious. But I follow up the recipe, but that is not enough. So first, okay, water is already boiled. Just put the noodle and the flake. That is vegetables and meat and mushrooms inside. Just put and boil together. How many minutes? Just 3 minutes. In recipe here, they said cooking 5 minutes, but 5 minutes is too much, and then the noodle taste is not enough. So I will boil only 3 minutes, and after there is oil and soup. Only 2 things left. After 3 minutes we can do. Okay, during 3 minutes we will talking about cooking. So every kind of cooking is very important, because you know the basic instinct of the human beings is basic three. The first one is process, wearing, and second is eating, that is food. Third is house. But every people will be happy means in Philippines wearing is not enough because hot weather, so we just wearing sandal or only short with slipper is enough in house. And second thing is food. Food is really important for life. So same materials, we can use same materials. Someone is not delicious, but someone thinking and or have ideas cook more nice. Okay, and water is little boil, so just little bit shake about what the noodle is spread in the hot water. And second, so use same material, same noodle, same food. How to more cook delicious is there is one idea. You think always who will eat. Okay, cook with love. That is very important. So thinking and how to cook more delicious, and then what cook I will serve to my family, serve to my lovers. That is important thing. Okay, and time is almost 20 30 minutes, and then just wait a little bit, and then just use little bit shake with chopstick, just like this. That's enough. And then waiting to boil. Okay. 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 Now turn off the boiled noodle and drain the water with chopstick, but not too much, not all, just like you can see. I remain some waters here. This is another tip, more chewable, more delicious of this cooking. So next, just add the oil. This is olive oil. And second, put jjapaghetti soup and make a fire again and holding the balls and mix. And this one use water means the soup is go to the noodle and because I reduce the cooking minute 5 to 3, so like this almost 1 minute will be more delicious and taste good cooking. Okay, just and wait until the boiling. This is normal cooking of jjapaghetti, and Koreans have a good memory. This one, jjapaghetti came from jjajangmyeon. Jjajangmyeon is Korean Chinese restaurant food, only in Korea have. And the noodle is very delicious and very sweet and little fantastic taste. So we have a good memory when we are young, when we graduate elementary school. That time father bring us to the restaurant and buy this jjajangmyeon, not jjapaghetti. That is instant, original jjajangmyeon with Chinese restaurant, Korean Chinese restaurant. And additional jampong or 탕수육 is the best the children's could taste. Okay. Now jjapaghetti is done. So now I will show you the color of jjapaghetti. It's done. Today's cooking is finished. Middle sauce is side and noodle is already good to chew. And this is the normal taste of jjapaghetti. And then eat a little bit. This one always good taste and additional. If you want little more tasty, just use 1 drop of sesame oil and chili powder. And mix well in the center. After drop the sesame oil, this one will be more delicious. Okay. Okay, done. Try a little bit more. Better than original. Let's try this in your home with kick and ease as pie. Okay? Thank you for watching. Today I cook spaghetti with very fast and quick. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.